Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make yourself look young in CapCut's mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application. And for example, guys, I'm going to make this man's face look young. We can use the CapCut effect to make ourselves look young. We can go to this effect option and choose the body effect. And in this body effect, we have to choose the role category. Go to role category and you have to select the teenage look effect or teenage look folder. Click on it. Then now the effect has been applied to my video, and we can make this effect align with the video by dragging it, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can make ourselves look young in CapCut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.